EM Dark Sheila Cat. And today, I will mark a 4T wall break. Ha 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 so ruffle. Hey guys, IF you revurdering IFIM going to Kansas City 2 bump BT op. I am, and that will be before VE går 14. juli 2025. That's all. In off story.
Oh no you don't. Dark Sheila Cat, how dare you make a 4th wall break about bombing up Kansas City before the week of 14 luglio 2025? That's it. I'm getting Sheila Cat to scold you for this. And also, bombing up cities is against the law.
Dark Sheila Cat, did you make a 4th wall break? Because I heard Nathan that you made a 4th wall break. Did you do it? Tell me the truth, now. Come on, spit it out.
Okay, fine. Yes, I did med a 4T wall break.
You did what? Oh my gosh, I know it. Dark Sheila Cat, how dare you make a 4th wall break? That's it. I'm telling Mom and Dad.
Oh no. Sheila Cat is gonna tell Mom and Dad about me making a 4T wall break. I am so busted now.
Dark Sheila Cat, how dare you make a 4th wall break?
Pazzi, io ho riprendere stracemi.
Now stay in your room and don't even come out until we say so.